What's the difference between a person and an animal? What's the difference? Is a person an animal? Is a person an animal? Well, science textbooks tell us that a human is a kind of animal. Okay, but I think most people believe that there's something special about humans that make them distinct from the rest of animals. There's something special about human beings that make them different. Distinct means different, okay? And that distinction makes them more valuable than animals. Okay. Also, it gives them a moral responsibility which animals don't have. For example, if this mother gorilla abandons her baby and the baby dies, the gorilla is not going to be put in jail, okay? The gorilla is going to be free and no one's going to care. But if this woman abandons her baby and the baby dies, then she's going to go to jail. Why? Why is there that difference? What makes people distinct from animals? Well, a lot of people believe that humans have a body, a soul, and a spirit. Okay, a soul and a spirit. To be honest, I'm not really sure what the difference between a soul and a spirit is, but it means that thing, the heart, the place where you have your conscience, okay, where you decide what's right and wrong, okay, you're at the very core of your being, okay. Most people would say that people have a soul and a spirit, okay, and a lot of religious people say that the reason we have a spirit or a soul is because God gave it to us. God made us that way, and He didn't make animals with a soul or a spirit, okay? So a lot of religions believe that God made people in His own image. In His own image. That means in the nature of God, okay? The word image means like the nature or the character of God. Okay, so that means people have a divine nature. Okay, the word divine means God. Okay, so people have a divine nature. They're almost like a god. Okay, so because of that, because God gave people that nature, that spirit, that soul, that's why they're distinct from animals. That's why they're more valuable than animals. That's why people have a moral responsibility that animals don't have. Okay, a lot of people believe this, but I want to know about you. Do you think people are animals? Why or why not? Let me know your answer down there in the comments, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.